Hi everybody, this is Jose with Dedoose. We received a request for a custom color coding guide, so here it is. So let's just go ahead and get started. Now, you'll notice that I actually have a totally blank project aside from one document that I added that's going to facilitate us in understanding this. So first, I'm going to go ahead and open the document, and I'm going to go to the codes list on the bottom right, which is again totally blank. And I'm going to add a red code. Now here you'll see a custom color box. If you click that, you'll be able to assign a color. I'm going to go ahead and assign red, and I'm going to do it for each of these other colors. So next is yellow, and I'm going to go ahead and assign yellow. I'm going to go ahead and add blue now. Blue it is. Green. And last, I can add orange, but just so you are certain that these colors don't have to match code titles, I'm going to actually make this into a purple. Cool. Now, first, in order to see the colors reflected in your code list, you want to click the Show Settings panel and then set Color Scheme to Custom. Now we'll see all of those colors are assigned correctly. Remember that our orange is actually purple. And if we go to the Show Settings panel for our document, we'll be able to assign that custom color coding scheme there. So let's go ahead and get to coding. We're going to go ahead and highlight this text. Double click red. Red is applied. Let's move on to the next. Oh, cool. We see that our highlighting turns red. Next, we're going to go ahead and highlight yellow. And I'm actually going to use the quick code widget for this. So I hit the spacebar and I double click yellow. Next, we go to blue. And all the same, we see our colors properly applied. Now, something that you'll want to take a note of here is that blue is a pretty dark color. And since our text is black, it seems to fade in a bit, makes it very difficult to read that. So we're going to actually edit this color, and we're going to make it a lighter blue. Let's go ahead and turn it into this one, see if that works. Beautiful, much more legible now. Now we're going to highlight our green, and we're going to double click it there. And last, we're going to go ahead and do orange. Now I can foresee this giving us some problems just because blue is pretty dark, so I'm going to edit this before I apply it. And I'm going to actually make it orange. That is not orange. There we go. That's still not orange. Okay, this looks orange enough. Oh, I never created the excerpt. Let's go ahead and highlight. Double click orange. Now something we'll note here is that whenever you're editing an excerpt, it actually shows up as this green color. That simply symbolizes that this is the excerpt I'm currently working on, currently editing, and clicking away from it will set us back to the original color. Now we encounter an issue here, however. Each of these excerpts has a single code applied. Now, that's totally fine if we are planning on this, but what if we want to assign additional colors or additional codes? Let's go ahead and create a new code and add it to this red excerpt. Color. Okay, now we see that the code is applied and it has the default black coloring. And if we uncheck it, we see that it turns orange. Now orange symbolizes code overlap. No, one won't take precedence over the other. So another thing we'll want to watch out for is that orange is actually already taken up by a different system color. So we're going to want to change this orange away to a different color. And I'm going to go ahead and set it as, we can do this turquoisey color. Okay, and there we go. Now, If you don't have custom color coding enabled, you will see it as just random colorings, and that's totally fine. They're actually meant so that you can see everything more visibly. So I would always suggest using that. But just know that this is always an option, custom. I hope you enjoyed this guide. It's really not too difficult a task to do within Dedoose once you get used to it. Yeah, I hope you have fun custom color coding.